In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sticky element in Figma. A sticky element is perfect for things like headers, navigation bars, or call to action panels that should stay visible as you scroll through a design. Unlike a fixed element that never moves, a sticky one scrolls with the page until it reaches an edge, then it locks into place. Here's how to set that up clearly and confidently. Start by heading to figma.com and signing in so you're looking at your workspace. On the left side of the screen, click Drafts. This is where your personal files live, and it's a convenient place to experiment without affecting shared projects. From there, pick a draft file you want to work in and open it. Any project with frames that can scroll is a good candidate for testing sticky behavior. Inside your file, select the element you want to make sticky. Think of a top navigation bar, a search area, or a small toolbar. Anything you want to remain visible as a user moves down the page. Make sure you're selecting the actual layer or component in the frame, not just the frame itself, so the setting applies to the right object. Now look to the top right of the interface and switch to the Prototype tab. This changes the right-hand properties panel from design settings to prototyping controls. In this panel, you'll see an option labeled Position. This is where Figma controls how the selected element behaves as the frame scrolls. Click the Position drop-down. You'll notice options that typically include default scrolling behavior, fixed and sticky. Fixed pins the element in place no matter what. Sticky is the middle ground. The element moves with the content and then anchors when it reaches a defined edge. Choose Sticky. Stop at top edge. With this setting, your selected element will scroll up naturally and then stick when it touches the top of its parent frame. That's exactly what you need for persistent headers or toolbars that shouldn't cover content from the start but must remain accessible as users read further. A quick tip for context: sticky behavior depends on the parent frame being scrollable and the element being inside that frame. If your page doesn't scroll, nothing will appear to stick. Also, ensure the element isn't accidentally outside the frame bounds, otherwise the sticky setting won't have any effect. And that's all there is to it. You went to Figma, opened your draft, selected the element, switched to Prototype, opened the Position menu, and set it to sticky at the top edge. With that, your design now behaves more like a real product, keeping crucial UI visible exactly when users need it.